Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are solving questions in exercise 2b from question number 111 onwards. Now the 11th question is 27 by 64 whole raised to minus 2 by 3. That is, we have to compute the value. So this is equal to, we know a by b whole raised to minus n, that is equal to b by a whole raised to n. So by using that, we can write this as 64 by 27 raised to 2 by 3. Again, this is equal to, we can factorize 64 to 32 to 16 to 8 to 4 to 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to 6. So we can write this as 2 raised to 6. Then again this 27 we can factorize with 3, 9, again 3, then again 3 we will get. So 3 into 3 into 3, 3 raised to 3 is 27. So that whole raised to 2 by 3. We know a by b whole raised to m, that is equal to a raised to m by b raised to m. So this is equal to 2 raised to m whole raised to n, like that, a raised to m whole raised to n, that is equal to power law, a raised to m into n. So this is 2 raised to 6 into 2 by 3, then that divided by 3 raised to 3 into 2 by 3. Now we can cancel with 3, then 2, 1, here 3 and 3 cancel. So this is equal to 2 raised to 2 into 2, 4 divided by 3 raised to 2. That is equal to 2 raised to 4 is 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 by 3 raised to 2, that is 3 into 3, 9. That is equal to 1 and 7 by 9. That is the answer. Now the 12th question is 1 by 32 whole raised to minus 2 by 5. We have to make this minus as plus. For that what we have to do? We know a by b whole raised to minus n, that is equal to b by a whole raised to n. So this is equal to 32 by 1 whole raised to 2 by 5. That is equal to 32 is 2 raised to 5 whole raised to 2 by 5. That is equal to a raised to m whole raised to n, power law, that is a raised to m into n. So here this is 2 raised to 5 into 2 by 5. 5 and 5 can be cancelled. So this is equal to 2 raised to 2, that is 2 into 2, 4. Next question is 13. This is 125 raised to minus 2 by 3 divided by 8 raised to 2 by 3. This is equal to 1 by 125 raised to 2 by 3 by using this law. So that divided by 8 is 2 raised to 3 raised to 2 by 3. Now this is equal to 1 by 125 means 5 raised to 3 raised to 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 raised to 3 into 2 by 3. Here 3 and 3 can be cancelled. This is equal to 1 by 1 raised to any number is 1 itself. So 1 by 5 raised to 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 2. Here 3 and 3 can be cancelled. So this is 1 by 5 into 2 raised to 2, 4. Here this is 5 raised to 2. So this is equal to 5 raised to 2 means 25. 25 into 4 is 100. So 1 by 100 is the answer. Now the 14th question is 243 raised to 2 by 5 divided by 32 raised to minus 2 by 5. So 243 we can factorize. 243 with 3, 81 with 3, 27 with 3, 9 again with 3, 3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 raised to 5 raised to 2 by 5. Then divided by 32. 32 can be factorized with the 2, 16, then 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 raised to 5. Whole raised to minus 2 by 5. Now this is equal to 3 raised to 5 into 2 by 5 divided by 2 raised to 5 into minus 2 by 5. So here we can cancel 5 and 5, here also 5 and 5. So this is 3 raised to 2 divided by 2 raised to minus 2. That is equal to 3 raised to 2 divided by a raised to minus n, that is 1 by a raised to n. So this is 2 raised to minus 2. So 1 by 2 raised to 2. That is equal to 3 raised to 2 into division is the inverse of multiplication. So into 2 raised to 2. That is equal to 3 raised to 2 is 9 into 2 raised to 2 is 4. So the answer is 36. Now the 15th question is minus 3 raised to 4 minus 4th root of 3 whole raised to 0 into minus 2 raised to 5 divided by 64 raised to 2 by 3. Now this is equal to, we know a raised to 0 is what, 1, minus 2 raised to n. If n is even, n is even, n. If n is odd, then minus 2 raised to n will give you minus 2 raised to n. So here in this case value of n is 4, so that is even. So this is 3 raised to 4 by using this. So minus, now a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So this is a, instead of a we got 4th root of 3. So that raised to 0 means 1. That into again minus 2 raised to 5. So minus 2 raised to n, if n is odd, here 5 is odd, so that is minus 2 raised to n. So minus 2 raised to 5, then that divided by 64 is 2 raised to 6 whole raised to 2 by 3. That is equal to 3 raised to 4 minus 1 into minus, that is plus. So 3 raised to 4 minus into minus is plus, 2 raised to 5 divided by, here with the 3 we can cancel this 2. So divided by 2 raised to 2 into 2. So this is equal to 3 raised to 4 plus 2 raised to 5 by 2 raised to 4. That is equal to 3 raised to 4 plus, here we know 1 by a raised to n is equal to a raised to minus n. So 2 raised to 4, while we take this to the numerator, sign will change, 2 raised to minus 4. So 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to minus 4. So that is equal to 3 raised to 4 plus a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n. By applying that rule here, 2 raised to 5 plus minus 4, that is minus 4. That is 3 raised to 4 is 81. That plus 2 raised to 5 minus 4 is 2 raised to 1. That is 81 plus 2. That is 83. That is the answer. Now the 16th question is 27 raised to 2 by 3 divided by 81 by 16 whole raised to minus 1 by 4. 27 is 3 raised to 3 raised to 2 by 3 divided by, now 81 by, here 16 raised to minus 1 by 4 can be written as 16 by 81 raised to 1 by 4. That is equal to 3 raised to 3 into 2 by 3. So 3 and 3 can be cancelled. That divided by 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4 divided by 81 can be written as 3 raised to 4 whole raised to 1 by 4. Now this is equal to 3 raised to 2, that is 9, divided by a by b whole raised to m can be written as a raised to m by b raised to m. By using that, this is a and this is b. 2 raised to 4 can be taken as a, 3 raised to 4 can be taken as b, and 1 by 4 can be taken as m. Then we can apply this rule. So 2 raised to 4 into 1 by 4 by 3 raised to 4 into 1 by 4. Here 4 and 4 can be cancelled, 4 and 4 can be cancelled. So this is equal to 9 divided by 2 by 3. This is equal to 9 into, division is the inverse of multiplication. So into 3 by 2. This is equal to 9 into 3 is 27 by 2. That is 13 and 1 by 2. Now the second question is simplify. In that first sub question is 8 raised to 4 by 3 plus 25 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 27 whole raised to minus 2 by 3. 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3, then that raised to 4 by 3 plus 25 can be written as 5 raised to 2, that whole raised to 3 by 2, then that minus, now 1 by 27 whole raised to minus 2 by 3. We have to make this as plus. So 27 by 1 raised to 2 by 3. Now this is 2 and 2 can be cancelled, and 3 and 3 can be cancelled. So this is 2 raised to 4 plus 5 raised to 3 minus 27 is 3 raised to 3. That whole raised to 2 by 3. So 3 and 3 can be cancelled. So this is equal to 2 raised to 4 plus 5 raised to 3 minus 3 raised to 2. That is 2 raised to 4 is 16, 5 raised to 3 is 125 minus 9. So this is 141 minus 9. So this is equal to 132. Now the second sub question is 64 raised to minus 2, then whole raised to minus 3 divided by minus 8 raised to 2, then that raised to 3, then that raised to 2. This can be written as 64, that is 2 raised to 6, that raised to minus 2, then that raised to minus 3, then divided by, if n is even, minus 2 raised to n is equal to 2 raised to n. So applying that rule here, minus 8 raised to 2, 2 is even, so 8 raised to 2, then that raised to 3, then that again raised to 2. Now this is equal to 2 raised to 6 into minus 2, that is minus 12, that whole raised to minus 3, then that divided by 8 raised to 2 raised to 3, that is a raised to m raised to n, that is a raised to m into n. So 8 raised to 2 into 3, that is 6, then that whole raised to 2. Now this is equal to 2 raised to 12 minus 12 into minus 3, applying this rule. So minus into minus is plus, 12 into 3 is 36, then that divided by 8 raised to 6 into 2, 12, that is equal to 2 raised to 36 divided by 8 is 2 raised to 3 raised to 12, that is 2 raised to 36 divided by 2 raised to 36, that is 2 raised to 36 into 1 by 2 raised to 36. 2 raised to 36, 2 raised to 36 can be cancelled, so the answer is 1. Now the third question is 2 raised to minus 3 minus 2 raised to minus 4, that into 2 raised to minus 3 plus 2 raised to minus 4. If you consider this 2 raised to minus 3 as A and 2 raised to minus 4 as B, then this will be in the form A minus B into A plus B. that is equal to a into a is a square plus a into b, ab minus b into a, ba minus b into b, that is minus b square. So ab and minus ba can be cancelled. So this is a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So this can be written as, this is a and this is b. So a square, that is 2 raised to minus 3 square minus b square, 2 raised to minus 4 raised to 2. Now this is equal to 2 raised to a raised to m whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. So applying that, 2 raised to minus 6, 3 into 2, 6. Then that minus 2 raised to minus 4 into 2, that is minus 8. That is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 6 minus 1 by 2 raised to 8. Here the LCM we can take as 2 raised to 8. So 2 raised to 8 by 2 raised to 6 is 2 raised to 2 minus 2 raised to 8 by 2 raised to 8 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 raised to 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 by 2 raised to 8 is 256. That is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 by 256. That is the answer. Next question, third, evaluate. Find the value. In that first one is minus 5 raised to 0. This is a raised to 0, that is 1. Next, second question is 8 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 0. So this is equal to a raised to 0, a raised to 0, like that. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. Now the third question is 8 plus 4 plus 2 raised to 0. We don't want to add that, because this, if you take this as a raised to 0, 1, directly you can write. Then fourth question is 4 into x raised to 0, that is x raised to 0, that is 1. So 4 into 1. So the answer is 4. Now the fifth question is 4x raised to 0. 4x, if you take this as a raised to 0, 1. Now the sixth question is 10 raised to 3 raised to 0 raised to 5. So this is equal to this 10 raised to 3 into 0, 0, then that into 5 means that 0 only, that is equal to a raised to 0 form. So that is also 1. Now the seventh question is 7x raised to 0 raised to 2. So this is equal to 7 into x raised to 0 is 1 raised to 2. This is equal to 7 raised to 2 is 49. Can be written as a raised to 0 form. This is 1 plus 1 by 9 a raised to minus n, that is 1 by a raised to n, like that. So minus 1 by 9 raised to 2 plus 9 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 9 raised to 1 by 2. This is equal to 1 plus 1 by 9 is 3 raised to 2 minus 1 by 3 raised to 2 raised to 2 plus 9 is 3 raised to 2 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 raised to 2 raised to 1 by 2. This is equal to 1 plus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 3 raised to 4, that is 81. Then that plus this 2 and 2 can be cancelled. So this is 3 minus 2 and 2 can be cancelled. So 1 by 3. Now that is equal to 81 is the LCM. So 81 plus 81 by 9 is 9. 9 into 1 is 9. Then minus 81 by 81 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Then that plus 81 into 3. That is 81 into 3. 243. So 243 minus 81 by 3. 27. 27 into 1 is 27. So this is equal to, plus numbers we have to add and minus together. So this is 81 plus 9, that is 90. Then 243, that is 3 3. 330. 3 minus 20, minus 27 and minus 1. So minus 28 by 81. So this is equal to 503. 305 by 81. So that is equal to 305 by 81. 3 times 3, 24. Then 2, 6. So we can write this as 3 and 62 by 81. If you like the video, please share the video to your friends and subscribe the channel. Be blessed always. Thank you.